You are probably wondering how these newlyweds got here, partying with the Jamaicans on a Cool Runnings party boat. We'll stick around. Let me tell you how this happened. It started with a 7 a.m. pickup from their Hotel Secrets Wild Orchid.
I love this. Ooh, wagwan. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, I love it. It's
so
giving.
You're the first ones aboard, so make sure you have a...
3. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Tell my friends my little words to you. Whatever she say no problem. And whatever he says, you say yaman, and it will work. Also, my friends, it is said the family that prays together stays together. So we want to wish you all the best and hope you go out there today and on the Cool Runnings and party like there's no tomorrow. All you gotta do is just keep it safe and remember that safety is first. So enjoy the rest of your time here in Jamaica.
Thank you so much.
So my friend, yes, you on.
Go make it, go make it, go make it, go make it.
Yalla you moa, pay for your visa, make you fly out regular. Everything whether in my wallet or in my pocket.
Hello? Yo. How are you? Channel, you know the thing about that. You want to have a life, you know.
Baby that, mommy if you be a baby that, tell your good body, drive my man, love your body, swear to God, baby you want love for life, my queen, my wife, my Barbie doll, baby, lock up your bumper, 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 lock up your bumper, 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 baby, lock up your bumper.
Ain't even gotta be like that. Yo man, he be calling me back.
Bumper, 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 lock up your bumper, 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 baby, you still at the building, them a Canada, put down your face, up with the pipe, when see the plumber, lock up your bumper, sit down on it, you still at the building, them a Canada, put down your face, up with the pipe, when see the plumber, lock up your bumper, sit down on it. Yalla you moa, you feel your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, lock up your bumper, sit down on it. Hello, pum pum, go down your face. We do everything whether in my wallet or in my pocket. I mean, see your baby daddy.
Get up, stand up.
Yo.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And nice to meet you. Nice to have you here. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Now, this is my team. No, my name is Howard. Now, I'm going to be the guy from my group and my group.
This group has to be the best, yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
You gotta get it right. When I say number, you shout one. Number
One.
No. You can do better. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Number
One.
Number
One.
Number
One.
Number
One.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, man.
My name is Fabian. What's my name? Fabian. On that waterfall, they call me Party Man. What they call me? Party Man. Come here, ladies. Come here.
Oh my God.
Baby, lock up your bumper, sit down visa, you move. You feel your visa, make you fly you regular.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Right foot again. Left foot again. Downtown, mama.
And after 9 hours of boat cruising, fighting hundreds of cascading waters going against them, partying like there's no tomorrow, as per instructions of the tour guide, they returned back to their hotel, exhausted but happy and fulfilled. And they lived happily ever after. The end.